How to recall an email in Zoho Mail. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Zoho Mail app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, for example, while composing an email, suppose I'm sending this email regarding the budget analysis, and I was supposed to attach a presentation file along with this email, but I hit the send button and I forgot to attach the presentation file. In this kind of cases, you can recall an email. So in order to recall an email, all you need to do is you need to go to the send section, tap on this three dots icon in the top left, tap on this send section, head over to the email which you want to recall, tap on it. Once you are in this page, in the top right you can see this three dots icon, tap on it. You can see this pop-up of the menu over here. Here you can see the options to recall, and you need to keep in mind that the recall feature is only available to the paid users. So you need to subscribe to the premium version of the Zoho Mail in order to be able to access the recall feature. So if you have the paid subscriptions, you will be able to see the recall option over here. You can simply tap on recall, you can re-edit your email and send it again. So that's a very simple process to recall an email in Zoho Mail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.